Hey YouTube, and today you will not be having my camera, but I'll just be putting that on right now. And today we'll be asking one of my friends right here if they would like to make a video with me. On my old YouTube ago, we made a video with her. She's not Twisted Murder, but we made a game that's like not like I know that game's fine, but I just need like a better game for it. So I'm just set up the camera, and we're just gonna be asking her if she wants to play or I made that video with her, so I picked another friend to do it. And this camera is really annoying, to be honest. Oh, it's just because of the wires. So guys, I just got something. The wires are broken, so not like break it. Don't mind what time it is, because I got like a 10. And we'll be who should we make a video with? We might make it with other people playing. Just can you just look at I got a photo of one of my friends playing yeah. So this boy, not girl, is mine for he comes up my school, and so there's a big Bobby. And I don't know why he's with that. You can see about he's in this class. You are in my class. This person proved that's yes man. Big Bobby and Aaron Killer. My brother, he didn't go in my class. He's on your team. So we're going just gonna move this, and yeah. But just gonna pick a game, I guess. I need to like think about making this video first. So I'll pause it here, or actually I'm just gonna join my friend, just my friend, so I'm gonna join him, tell him if he wants to make a video, because I'm just recording right now. If he doesn't, then I'll just tell my other friends. So yeah, I'm not sure what game is this. Oh wait, what's it called again? I might press F11 so to get a bigger screen. Okay guys, this is probably a laggy game. I'll give my friend to laugh. Okay. Guys, it's not let me get out of the game. Come on. Yes. No, he's not there. He's probably gonna load it. We're going to be joining her, maybe. And we're going to play Pick a Side. I played that before, but not like I played that a long time ago. So yeah. My nose, this nose, oh no. Not these both nose, I mean this nose, it's really, I can't have a nose block, and I'm not sure about this. So yeah. Okay. Okay, she's right there. I might tell her if she wants to make a video. Oh, I got the Kawama. That's why. What is, oh. Oh wow, I can't even speak. Wow, that's a shame. Not pick outside faster. Oh. Not sure because I don't know. Okay. Instead of making a video, I'm going to make a new idea on YouTube. Oh, I can just go here. I changed this, it's pretty good. I can just go on news buttons. Want to see the news? Okay, never mind. That won't happen. So, yeah, I can't have my video longer than 15 minutes because it won't work. So, I'll end it here because I know I don't do it that much things. So, but instead I'll just end it here because I don't give a rest of my dad kept on telling me you can play on the PC but not make a video because I don't get a rest. So yeah, oops, I lost it. Never mind that. So I'll end it here. Thank you guys, and I'll end it here.